Hi, myself B.TECH Satyanarayana. I am from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. I have been graduated in B.TECH University in the stream of CSC. I have joined here in the month of November. Here I joined to upgrade myself in technically. So I have taken here Java full stack development because I am interested in development. After coming here, I have trained with Java and Advanced Java with Prem sir, Web Technology with Shiva sir, SQL with Gagandeep sir, React.js with again with Shiva sir only. They trained me very well. They given many assignments to do. By doing that assignments, I have got more knowledge in technically. Later, after completion of every course, they will take like a mock interviews. That mock interviews helped me to achieve real interviews outside in the companies. They will give us grooming sessions before going to the company. That made me to get revised with a subject which has learned before. These all things helped me to get placed.